Are you telling me it was all for nothing?
Of course not, Captain. You took 80 prisoners.
Yes, sir.
Raise arms! Ready, aim, fire! Shoulder, arms! Left, charge! Forward, march! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
This was found on the boy. Recognize it? Subversive propaganda, calculated to cause dissatisfaction among the troops and encourage disobedience. It's an insult to the concept of patriotism. You knew nothing about it?
No, sir. Not a thing.
How was such a dangerous pamphlet able to circulate in your company without your knowledge? Don't you keep a check on the morale of your men, Captain? What they read? You know what this is, don't you? It's a copy of the so-called Quintal Manifesto, a socialist denunciation of war, pacifist poison. Fear takes hold of a soldier when his principles are removed, when he loses respect for the true values that guide us. Doubt. That's what kindles fear. An urgent directive arrived this morning, some hours ago, from Supreme Headquarters. You are to be relieved of your command and report to Major von Planitz. You go directly to Aven. If I'm not mistaken, he's your previous commander.
I'm to abandon my men in the middle of a battle. Why?
Orders. Don't ask me. You have to write a letter to the parents of that boy, telling them he was killed heroically in action. Good luck, von Buring.
You heard the news? The Americans declared war on us today.
Why do we have to take a Russian revolutionary from Switzerland and deliver him in Scandinavia like a posted parcel?
Because he is our secret weapon. If chaos is created in Russia, they'll be forced out of the war.
Who is this revolutionary wonder?
They call him Lenin.
Who did you say?
Lenin.
I know that name. There you are. He's one of the people that signed this despicable piece of pacifist propaganda.
What else would you expect of him? That's his job, isn't it? I must confess I'm looking forward to meeting this wizard. The dreaded Lenin, who they say is going to enable us to win the war.
Where is he hiding?
In Zurich.
There. I've done it, Volodya. I'm afraid it's no masterpiece. Oh, the cloth has gone so thin. Hardly holds the stitches. Anyway, I was really never very good with a needle.
Oh, it's fine. Fine.
You need something for the paper.
I'll be in the library for a while. Then, I'll be meeting our comrades at Adler's.
I'll join you later. I have to finish the envelopes.
Morning, Mr. Ulyanov.
Good morning.
I depose the Tsar and replace him with a full-blooded prince. Nothing changes.
And what do the Mensheviks do? They play along with this farce of a revolution. That Kerensky, I know all about him. We were born in the same squalid village. A calculating bastard who's miscalculated everything. A master of opportunism. Look what's happening in the world. Well, here we sit, unable to find a way to get to Petrograd. Any news of that boat to go to Odessa, Radek?
Not yet. No one knows when it'll leave or when the hell it'll get there. Besides, tickets are expensive. And you know the state of our finances.
The staunchest comrades are wavering. Kamenev and Stalin are talking about collaborating with the provisional government. After I wrote to them explaining there's only one path to take. Power must belong to the Soviets. The Bolsheviks must have complete control.
How are we ever going to get enough money together for the journey? Anyone got any ideas?
I'm afraid we need somebody like Stalin. You remember how he used to rob banks for the party?
That was fine in Georgia. There were no Swiss police to catch him.
There was talk of an exchange of German prisoners of war with Russian exiles, including Bolsheviks.
Yes, we've all heard about Professor Martov's plan. Everything legal and above board. Just imagine.
That's rubbish.
Don't expect those opportunists to be pleased to see us in Petrograd. They're a lot happier while we rot away here. What do you think, Vladimir Ilyich?
We'll discuss it this evening.
He wasn't even listening.
Volodya!
Is something wrong?
No, nothing.
Damn it! Close the curtains. Don't turn on the light.
You work too hard.
Damn it! Damn it!
And you don't sleep enough. Back to bed. Take it easy. Slowly.
It'll pass.
Yes.
It must.
Yes.
Oh.
All right, calm down.
Please don't call the doctor. Nadia, please don't call the doctor.
Calm down. That's it. Good. You'll be all right.
Sorry.
Just lie down. All right?
All these years, it's been when the revolution comes at last. Now, it looks as though it's almost here. Perhaps I won't be around to see it. Life has a wicked sense of humor, you know.
You've waited for the revolution. And the revolution has waited for you.
I wish I had your confidence.
I get it from you. Now get some rest.
Volodya. I'm sorry, Volodya. Maybe there were too many years between you and me. We'll never have the opportunity of getting to know each other any better now. I was arrested with my friends. We were so naive, so unprepared. The judges laughed at us. I made a bomb that wouldn't go off. So the Tsar is still alive. Untouchable. Immortal. And we are dead, dear brother.
Sasha.
Do you think you have a temperature?
Sasha.
What?
Don't tell the others I wasn't feeling well.
Have I ever? You know, I think you're just tired. It's been such a long business. Don't worry yourself.
It's just that even the most ardent of my followers would see me in a different light if he knew my health was failing and if he reached the newspapers.
If. You make things much worse than they are with your ifs. Now don't torture yourself.
We have to get to Petrograd, Nadezhda. I have to find a way, somehow.
Well, you will. You will, Volodya. Now drink your tea while it's hot.
Good morning, comrade.
Good morning, comrades.
Is Comrade Lenin at home?
Yes, please come in.
I hope we're not disturbing him.
No. Please come in.
Thank you.
I'll go and get him. Just one moment, please. Grimm and Platten are here.
I really don't feel well enough to digest socialists at the moment.
Oh, but they're so kind.
Oh, well. Let's see what they want. To what do I owe the pleasure, comrades?
We have good news.
Great news.
We're here on behalf of the German ambassador. 2 officers are waiting at the border to accompany you from Germany to Sweden. From there, you will be free to travel to Petrograd. If you will come with me, the German ambassador can give you more details.
I prefer to have no contact with the German ambassador. Can't you tell me?
There is a very good reason. The Germans reckon that Lenin can get Russia out of the war.
Yes?
German ambassador is expecting an urgent reply.
My urgent reply is no.
No?
You could be in Petrograd in a matter of days. Perhaps we hadn't made that clear.
It's no. If I have to accept unconditionally.
Well, if you have conditions, let's hear them.
I'll let you know in due course.
This is from Comrade Helfand, whose idea this whole thing is.